All right, so I got a comment on what kind of bearings were in this monster. And it turns out that was a great comment because the clicking sound it was making is coming from one of these bearings. As I turn it, I can feel it clicking. So one of the bearings are probably shot. This is a heavy bastard. That's why I put two bearings in there. But it's definitely the bearings. I got to replace them. So whoever made that comment, thank you very much. You had me thinking, because I was trying to figure out why would it be making that clicking sound when it was on this stand. Turns out it's the bearings.